So I got a question from Jose Santiago. He asked me what made me start a cleaning company, and it's a long-winded answer, but I'll try to shorten it up for you. But basically, it was simply I ain't want no job, and I knew I wasn't going to college. You know what I mean? So I was trying to find a way where I could make a good amount of money, because I also wanted to be, you know what I mean? I ain't want to be broke either. I always been a hustler in the street growing up. So it was like, all right, well, if I'm gonna still remain to have my reputation of this guy to get money, but also not have a job, then how I gotta find a way to, you know what I mean, to get it without a job. And so I was working for this guy named Pops that I got introduced to by my homeboy Monte. Shout out to Monte, rest in peace. And he put us on to this guy named Pops. He owned the cleaning franchise. He hired us, and we worked for him. He was had to clean the buildings and stuff. I asked Pops, I said, how do you start your own company? How do you do this? Like, do you have to have a degree or anything like that? He was like, no, you just put your money into it, you invest in it, and then you grow it. Sky's the limit. That's it. And I was like, damn, so you ain't got to go to college, ain't do nothing. So I pretty much decided as soon as I get a lump sum of money, I'm gonna go ahead and invest in this cleaning business. And then that was pretty much how it took off. To answer your question, I was just trying to find something that I could get started in, make money without a job, and it didn't take a whole big investment because I ain't have a lot of money, but it had an opportunity to make a lot of money, you know, out of it. So low investment, high upside, and that's what got me started.